Yesterday we finished polishing the crank. I think these stains come out on the camera, but it's actually really smooth. And we also finished this head here. We have another head that's torn apart. The valve springs there, and the valves here. So alright, so this is the second cylinder head. Look at this valve guide here. To start changing the piston rings. And all these rods are stamped with the wrong numbers on them. These are stamped 8 and 8. These are stamped 7 and 7. These two here is stamped 3 and 3, 4 and 4. This is stamped 7, and all those are stamped 6 on both the cap and the rod itself. So I have 3 6s, a 7 and 8, a 3 and a 4, and then another 7. Joe.
Yeah?
How are you doing over here?
Pretty good. On the last one.
Got all the old piston rings off. Got the pistons soaking in degreaser. Got the 2 heads already, the 2 rocker arm shafts already, the crank's ready. The pistons are cleaned. Tomorrow we'll put the rings on them. Right now I got the oil pickup tube that's gonna soak overnight. We cleaned the oil pan, the intake still. Hopefully we'll get to that tomorrow. And a lot of these parts, like the carburetor, the starter, the alternator, all that bracketry. Start going through all that. Get that tomorrow. There are all the old rings. Gonna degrease the oil filter thing. Clean up the distributor. The valve covers. If you're gonna reuse the pistons, one thing you could do to help you clean these grooves here is get an old piston ring and break off a piece, and then use the machine side to clean in there. Get in here, and that'll help you clean.